Hello everyone, this is Jimmy from EdrisFinance. Today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful features inside the platform, the Strategy Center. The Strategy Center helps traders organize, review, and analyze their trading strategies using detailed performance metrics and behavioral tracking tools. Let's begin from the dashboard and import a trading account to start building our strategy data. First, we open the Trading Account section and choose Lightspeed from the list of supported brokers. Now we enter a custom account name along with the current account balance. Once everything is ready, we upload the orders report file and wait a few moments while EdrisFinance processes the trading data. And just like that, the account and trading history are now available inside the platform. Next, we move to the Orders Ledger section to review and organize the imported trades. Here, I'll select a trade that I want to review more carefully and use for strategy analysis. As soon as the trade is selected, the configuration sidebar opens with several tools designed to improve trade journaling and execution tracking. For this example, the trade belongs to a scalping strategy, so I'll assign it to the scalping category. I can also track my emotional state during the trade by selecting emotions that best describe my mindset at that moment. These emotional tags are also connected to the journaling system, allowing me to continue reviewing and improving my decision-making process later. Next, I can rate the quality of the trade, helping me identify which executions followed my trading rules correctly. I also have the ability to leave personal notes and observations about the setup, execution, or overall market conditions. Once the trade review is completed, we can finally move to the Strategy Center. The main Strategy Center dashboard provides a complete overview of all trading strategies currently tracked inside the platform. Here we can quickly monitor overall strategy performance, consistency, profitability, and behavioral patterns. Now let's open the scalping strategy to explore the detailed analytics page. At the top of the page, we can immediately see the overall performance summary for this strategy, including profitability and execution consistency. Below that, EdrisFinance displays detailed statistical metrics such as total trades, win rate, average return, and overall risk-to-reward performance. We can also analyze profit distribution, average winners versus average losers, and the long-term efficiency of the strategy. The platform also tracks emotional patterns and behavioral data linked directly to the trades associated with this strategy. Further down, visual charts and performance graphs help traders identify strengths, weaknesses, and recurring market behaviors over time. This makes it much easier to understand what is actually working consistently and where improvements may be needed. The Strategy Center is designed to help traders transform raw trading data into actionable insights and structured decision-making. And that's everything for today's overview of the EdrisFinance Strategy Center. Thank you for watching. You can follow EdrisFinance on our social channels for more tutorials, platform updates, and trading insights. This was Jimmy from EdrisFinance, and I'll see you in the next video.